Alright, we are on our way to the LA Fashion District. Come fabric shopping with me. We just got out of the elevators from the parking structure that we parked at. And once you come downstairs, there's already some fabric shops here and here. I'm specifically looking for today like swimsuit fabric. Alright, so we parked over here and then now we're just, across the street, got a hot dog. Basically, you just walk past all of these shops selling fabric, but we have like a few main ones that we hit up. I'm outside of Journal Fabric, and then all the fabric out here is only $1 a yard, but you need to buy 3 yards minimum. Yeah, so basically I normally just walk down this street right here, see if I find anything that inspires me. Couldn't find anything out here for swimsuit, so we're gonna head inside. I know for sure they have like swimsuit material inside. Most swimsuits are made from lycra and spandex, and this first store had a huge selection to choose from. If you still aren't sure what it should feel like, you could bring a swimsuit you own at home to compare, or just ask the salesman to direct you to swim fabric. But like one salesman told me, swimsuits are made from anything these days, so it's all up to your imagination. Oh, fun fact, I bought my fabric for my prom dress from this store. This looks like the one that I got for my aunt's dress upsized too. We didn't even come check here. But this looks similar to it. We went into another store 2 doors down, and right in the front was the same sequin fabric on display. I swear, these were not in every store when I came searching for my aunt's dress, but this leads me to my next tip. Don't buy from the first store you step into because it is very likely that the same fabric is in 5 other stores. If you are interested in one, ask for the price first, that way you can compare and bargain along the way. The second shop had a great selection of solid swimsuit fabric, which was what I was looking for, but once again, I wait to purchase until I've been to a few more stores. So now we're going to cross the streets this way. The third store had lycra and spandex in its name, which I didn't even notice because my eyes were just focused on the fabric in front of me, but you can save time by reading the store names to see what they sell. Some are strictly for upholstery or curtains and tablecloths. This store was hands down my favorite to shop in for swimsuit fabric. They had so many cool prints along with solid colors, and seeing it all definitely got my creative juices flowing. The next go-to store we always stop in is Michael Levine. This is a lot of people's one-stop shop because they have all sorts of fabric and sewing notions for a great price. Fabric shopping was a success. I can't wait to get home and show you guys all the swimsuit fabric that I found. Alright, I'm back home from fabric shopping in LA, and now I'm going to do a little fabric haul to show you what I bought. So this giant bag of fabric right here is fabric I purchased from I think 2 or 3 different stores, and I'm just gonna pull out whatever's in here first. I chose this one because I love the pineapple print and the pink color. I'm not really good at bargaining, but if you guys are, then maybe you can get it for an even lower price than what I got it for. They said it was $10 a yard, and I was able to bring it down to $9. And then this one, I got it for $5 a yard, I think. And I was thinking about using it as a lining for this one. I don't know. It's either this or a white color. But yeah, I don't know. I didn't want the lining to be white for this, so I thought I would color block it. Maybe it can even be reversible. Also, I only purchased 1 yard of each fabric that I'm going to show you, but I'm sure that if you guys are getting more fabric than me, then they might be willing to lower the price for you. So next, from the same store that I purchased these two from, I also purchased a white one. It's a lot thinner, but I was thinking about using this as a lining for this next swimsuit material that I'm going to show you. A lot of the fabrics are dirty at the sides and the ends, especially if it's white, so make sure that they aren't charging you for that section. So next, I purchased this awesome pinstripe green. It's like a lime green. And it stretches 4 ways, so the stripes can go vertical or they can go horizontal, whichever way you want it to. But for me, I'm thinking about making a pinstripe swimsuit out of this, which I'm super excited about. And that's what I'm going to be using the white lining for, to line this fabric right here. At Michael Levine's, I don't think you can bargain there. It's just one straight up price. I bought 1.5 yard of this just in case. And it was $13 total. I stopped by one more store because this color was so beautiful for a solid swimsuit that I want to make. It reminds me of a cactus green color. I just love it. It's a really good quality, not transparent, stretches all ways. So the guy told me this would be $7 a yard, but I was able to bargain it down to $6. All right, that's the end of my swimsuit fabric haul. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see more of this style video where I take you shopping for fabric with me. And stay tuned to see what I end up turning these into. See you guys next time. Bye!